While Hurricane Harvey has brought disaster and destruction to much of southeastern Texas, it's also provided an opportunity for the National Insurance Crime Bureau to introduce its newest technology aimed at dealing with catastrophes just like this. For the past year, NICB has been developing and testing a new program to reshape the way catastrophes are assessed. We've been at tornadoes, floods, and wildfires, and we were among the first on the scene in the aftermath of Hurricane Harvey. On the ground and in the air, NICB's Geospatial Intelligence Center is bringing new technology to the front lines of disaster response. The ultimate goal? Faster assessment of damages, resulting in faster claims payments to insured victims, support for first responders and law enforcement to assist them with their efforts, and in the long run, stronger evidence to fight insurance fraud in the weeks and months that follow. Using high-resolution 360-degree panoramic images on a street-by-street basis with these ground units, combined with the best available high-resolution images from 4 aircraft flying over the hurricane area, we were able to provide emergency personnel and member insurance companies with unprecedented views on an address-by-address basis.
What's changed in the last year for us has been the addition of some incredible partners, people like Imagery, a company who makes the leading GIS or mapping system. Vexel makes these just incredible aerial sensors. So together with this partnership with NICB, we're able to deploy aerial assets over Hurricane Harvey, potentially now Hurricane Irma. We can capture 5-centimeter accuracy and resolution. It's the highest resolution aerial imagery being used by the federal and state response today. With our 4 aircraft that are flying on a daily basis, we have several ground units that are testing some of that 360 terrestrial deployment. We hope to have a holistic picture of essentially every single address that in the areas that we fly, so that our members and law enforcement partners can look at any given address and see the before and after comparison.
With NICB's history of supporting law enforcement and emergency personnel, we have provided access to disaster areas while drones are still grounded and before adjusters and other insurance personnel can be on site, and the information is proving valuable to our partners.
The response to NICB's Geospatial Intelligence Center initiative has been overwhelmingly positive thus far. From Houston PD and the city of Houston, Harris County, the state of Texas, and even FEMA, we've gotten just a tremendously positive response. They're all integrated and using all of our imagery that we fly on a daily basis and our map product and geospatial intelligence that we put out.
With the results provided so far by the Geospatial Intelligence Center, it's hopeful that insurance industry funding will allow the program to become fully operational.
We would fly every address in the U.S. on an annual basis, regardless of disaster. We would have a catastrophe response team that would then deploy, work in the command center and deploy our aerial and ground assets, just like we're doing for Hurricane Harvey and potentially Hurricane Irma. But we would have a center in place that would be able to support the entire insurance industry and all of our law enforcement first response partners, both blue sky, normal operations, and gray sky during a CAT response or disaster response.
From Houston, I'm Roger Morris for the National Insurance Crime Bureau.